Fork oil leakage. The front suspension of the motorcycle has a telescopic hydraulic suspension that has an outer tube and an inner pipe. A measured quantity of fork oil is filled inside each pipe. The fork outer tube slides in and out of the inner pipe while encountering road irregularities and during braking and acceleration. The fork oil leakage causes are excessive oil filled inside the fork pipe, refill the oil up to the correct level, the recommended fork oil grade and quantity per fork pipe are as shown. Fork oil seal leakage. Replace with a new oil seal. Remember, when fitting a new oil seal, the part name or number embossed on it should face upward. The other causes of fork oil leakage are bent fork pipe. Replace it. Scoring marks on the fork inner pipe. Replace the inner pipe. Dents on the inner pipe due to impact of small pebbles or stones. Replace the inner pipe. Damaged or broken fork outer tube. Replace it. Dirt and dust accumulated on the fork pipe. Clean it regularly.